Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna be playing Pokemon Violet. Let's go. We're just gonna be going around exploring, see if we can defeat any Pokemon. Level up our avatar characters. This is my little avatar. Alright, let's beat this. $59 against a level 3. Oh my gosh, not very effective. Too easy. One, really. We're in like the beginning section, so and Ether. Let's go against somebody. Let's go find a battle. Oh, what's that? And Oranberry. I don't know how to pronounce this stuff. Awakening and Peach-a-Bear. That's cute. Let's get on our little motorcycle. Climb. Play rough. I want to get out of the beginning area. Let's go travel to let's travel to up here. These are some pretty good ones. Alright, yeah, let's go this way. Oh, this is what I'll talk about now. Get some of these pretty high level Pokemons. Whee! Da 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 da. Reset Feather, Swift Feather. Oh my gosh, where's that one area? Oh, wrong thing, wrong thing, wrong thing! Oh, yeah, I'm near it. Okay. Revive. Timer Ball. Fire Blast. Full heal. Alright, this is the area I wanted to get into. Jump! I don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay, I guess we're gonna battle on these. Bruh, I can take that thing out. What the heck? Bruh, I just have to use this too easy. Let's go battle 2 more Pokemon. What the heck? What is that thing? Try to find some good Pokemon. Wouldn't be a video if we didn't not go after one of those things. Alright, Earth Power. Okay, let's knock it out. Knocked it out. Bruh, these are too easy. Bruh. Doesn't affect me because I'm getting high levels, so. Okay, that's new. Ooh, let's go after this one dragon that's in the water. Whee! No, that's not it. That's not it. Move. Oh, well, we can actually go after this guy. End this video off with a big one. Or I can just knock it out like that. Oh. Okay, well, that ain't super effective. I'm scared to see what not effective is. Let's do Giga Drain. Oh, well, that knocked it out. Hey, my thing's at full health now. Okay, let's end the video there. Next, we're going to be going to the Kingdom of Hyrule. Bye!